Hey guys, welcome back. Today, magso-story time lang ako about a recent weekend trip for our first time beach camping. And we decided to do it sa Calatagan, Batangas. Well, to be honest, medyo kinakabahan kami nung una. Especially ako dahil first time namin mag-beach camping. At itong tent na nabili namin from Decathlon, hindi daw siya gawa for summer. Kasi konti lang yung kanyang bintana. And so, those were the typical worries. Isa pa, paano yung CR? Typical worries ng mga first-timer. But, spoiler alert, it was one of the best weekend that we had. And super chill lang ang naging ganap ng Vive. And it was one of the perfect escape from the city for the first time. So, grab your coffee guys at ikukwento ko sa inyo paano namin na-survive ang aming first time beach camping. Pagdating namin sa campsite, the first challenge was really obvious. Hinayaan nila kami yung bumuo ng tent on the beach. Ito na kasi yung final challenge na gagawin namin before our camping sa Camp Ragsak sa La Trinidad, Benguet on March 5. So, here we go. One of the challenging part ay yung mag-pitch ng tent at kulang ang nabili naming beach pegs. Dapat kasi kailangan mga 40 cm na pegs ang kailangan. First of all, sobrang budget-friendly ng lugar. Nung nag-inquire kami, the rent was only 200 pesos for overnight fee, plus yung entrance fee, 100 pesos. Ang best doon is for all families, free ang mga kids. Wala siyang bayad, which makes it such a great deal if you're going to consider this time. At kahit affordable siya, hindi siya tinipid sa quality. The place was really incredibly nice. Hindi crowded. So ramdam mo talaga yung privacy at yung peace and quiet as compared to the other places na kadikit nito. Yung tubig sa beach, sobrang ganda, sobrang linis, ang sarap mag-swimming. Yung buong hapon namin was just soaking in the water. Walang masyadong signal, walang iniisip na trabaho, so we just swam and enjoy the moment. And then, dumating na yung famous Calatagan sunset. Pero iba yung feeling na pinapanood mo siya mismo right outside your own little tent. So, we just sat there and sa buhanginan watching the sun go down, ang sarap sa feeling na wala kang kailangang madaliin. Just pure chill and vibe. Pagdating ng gabi, lalong gumanda yung atmosphere. Tahimik lang, dinig mo lang yung alon. Pero guys, ito yung pinaka hindi namin makakalimutan. Yung highlight ng buong trip. Later that night, we witnessed something straight out of the, na papanood nyo sa National Geographic documentary. Nakikita kami ng pawikan. Yes, you heard it right, a sea turtle. It was laying eggs right there in front of our tent. We were in absolute awe. Of course, we kept our distance and made sure that we were very quiet para hindi siya ma-stress or ma-disturb. Pero just standing there in the dark, watching nature do its thing, it gives us goosebumps. Sabi nga namin, what a way to welcome our first camping experience. Diba? Parang binigyan kami ng VIP show ng nature. It was a core memory talaga, especially for the kids, that they were able to see a closer look. Matagal-tagal na namin gustong pumunta sa Subic para makita yung hatching ng sea turtle. Pero this time, it was right in front of us. So it was really absolutely great. Mga around 99 eggs ang nilay ni mother turtle during that night. And the day after, may pumuntang representative from Calatagan, DENR, para ilayo o ilagay yung mga eggs on a safer space para hindi siya makuha ng mga predators. So, it was really a great experience. Kung tatanungin ako kung uulitin ba namin mag-beach camp, of course, 100% yes. From the affordable fees, clean space, learning how to pitch a tent with the camping therapy project, getting to know friendly neighbors, of course, yung magical moment ng pawikan, it's a sort of amazing experience that we had. So kung naiisip nyo na itry ang mag-beach camping, maybe this is your sign. Do it now! Hindi nyo kailangang mamahaling mga gamit agad-agad. You just need a good company. Yung mga ibang taong may mga gamit na makipag-kaibigan muna kayo and a little bit of a courage to sleep under the stars or sa labas. Well, I think this is our time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know Ano ang comment nyo? Ano yung dream camping destination na gusto nyong puntahan? Thank you and God bless.
There's only one